Have you ever bought something, taken it home, and realized it wasn't what you expected?
Maybe it didn't sit, it stopped working, or you simply changed your mind. Then you went back to the store and suddenly heard the question, "Do you have your receipt?" If you didn't, you might have felt nervous about what to say next.
That's a situation many English learners experience. Returning an item can already feel uncomfortable, and speaking English during the conversation can make it even more stressful.
But don't worry, today we'll practice exactly what you need to say so you can handle this situation naturally and confidently. All right, let's jump into today's conversation.
It's Saturday afternoon, and I'm walking into a department store carrying a small kitchen appliance. I bought it 3 days ago, but unfortunately, it stopped working after only one use. I looked everywhere at home for the receipt, but I couldn't find it. I'm hoping the store can still help me.
Good afternoon. Welcome. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to return this blender if possible.
Certainly. Is there anything wrong with it?
Unfortunately, yes. It worked the first time I used it, but the next morning it wouldn't turn on at all.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you happen to have your receipt with you?
Actually, that's the problem. I can't find it. I searched my purse, my kitchen drawers, my car, everywhere.
I understand. That happens more often than you might think.
Really? That's a relief. I was worried you wouldn't even talk to me without it.
Not necessarily. While a receipt certainly makes the process easier, there are usually other ways we can try to verify the purchase.
That's good to hear. Do you remember approximately when you bought it?
I believe it was last Wednesday, sometime in the afternoon.
Did you pay with cash or with a card?
I paid with my credit card.
Excellent. Sometimes we can locate the transaction using the card information.
That would be wonderful.
May I see the card you used?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you. I'll check our system. I found a transaction that matches the date and the price.
That's fantastic.
Before we continue, may I inspect the blender?
Of course.
Thank you. I don't see any visible damage. Did you accidentally drop it?
No, I was actually very careful because it was brand new.
Did you notice any unusual sounds before it stopped working?
It made a strange clicking noise, and then nothing happened after that.
I see. Did you try plugging it into another outlet?
Yes, I tested several outlets just to make sure the problem wasn't in my kitchen.
Good thinking. Based on what you've described, it does sound like the appliance may be defective.
I'm glad you understand. Honestly, I wasn't sure anyone would believe me without a receipt.
We always try to help our customers whenever possible.
I really appreciate that.
Now, I have a few options for you. We can exchange it for the same model, we can issue store credit, or depending on our policy, we may be able to refund the purchase directly to your credit card.
Could you explain what store credit means?
Certainly. Store credit is money that you can spend only in this store. Instead of receiving cash or having the money returned to your card, you receive a balance that you can use on another purchase.
That makes sense. I'd actually prefer a refund if that's possible.
Let me check. Because we located your purchase through your credit card and you're still within our return period, we can process a refund.
That's wonderful news. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. May I ask one more question?
Sure.
Do you still have all of the original accessories?
Yes, I brought everything. The lid, the instruction manual, the measuring cup, and even the original box.
Excellent. That definitely helps. I usually keep the packaging for a few weeks, just in case.
That's actually a very good habit. Many customers throw everything away immediately and later wish they hadn't.
I'll probably keep doing that from now on.
Your refund should appear on your credit card within 3 to 5 business days.
I'm sorry, could you repeat that last part a little more slowly?
Of course. The money should appear on your credit card within 3 to 5 business days.
Thank you. Sometimes numbers are difficult for me to catch.
No problem at all. Asking someone to repeat information is completely normal. In fact, it's much better than pretending you understood.
I agree. I'm trying to become more confident about asking people to repeat themselves.
And you're doing exactly the right thing. Native speakers ask for clarification all the time.
That actually makes me feel much better.
I'm glad to hear that. Now I'll just print a confirmation for your records. Here you are. This document confirms that your return has been processed successfully.
Perfect. Should I keep this?
Absolutely. It's always a good idea to keep return documents until the refund appears in your account.
I'll do that. Thank you for making this so easy.
You're very welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Actually, yes. If I buy another appliance in the future, what's the best way to avoid losing the receipt?
That's a great question. Many stores now offer digital receipts that are sent directly to your email. You can also take a picture of the paper receipt with your phone. That way, you'll always have a copy.
That's a smart idea. I'll definitely start doing that.
It saves a lot of time if you ever need to make another return.
Hopefully I won't need to, but it's nice to be prepared.
Exactly. Preparation makes situations like this much less stressful.
Well, thank you again for all your help. I really appreciate your patience.
It was my pleasure. Have a wonderful afternoon.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye, and thank you for shopping with us.
And that's the end of today's conversation. We hope this dialogue helped you feel more confident about returning an item without a receipt in English.
Remember, it's completely okay to ask questions, request clarification, and explain your situation politely. Most customer service employees are happy to help when you communicate clearly and respectfully.
The more you practice conversations like this, the more natural your English will become in real life.
If you enjoyed practicing with us today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English Talk, and share it with another English learner.
Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next conversation.
Take care, everyone. Goodbye.